Hello and welcome on this new late week analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I would like to say that my last signal on the gold sadly has failed, but just for the records, we have to say that the gold, actually the signal has been triggered. I have sent the signal when the gold was at some point right here, then all of a sudden it went down and triggered our buy area, and it has been activated and went in around 220 pips of profit before sadly goes back against our direction and exits the safe zone. So sadly the signal hasn't worked as planned, but now let's see what we can do next with the gold. But thankfully, again, my friends, I would like to highlight that here in Xtreme Trader we have a higher winning ratio. I believe our winning ratio can be ranging between 75 to 85% of the time. I hope so, really. Maybe in the comments the community can maybe confirm it if they willing to. Anyway, let's now see what we can do next with the gold and delete the old signal. Now, it's important to highlight that here the gold, yesterday we have actually witnessed a strong bullish momentum on the gold. Now, remarkably, the gold, and allow me please to go back to the 4-hour time frame to show you something. So here the gold has actually failed the retest of the broken level of a resistance, as we can see, at 2,880, and as you can see, the market has actually failed to create a bearish breakout from that area, not only once but twice. So that means that the gold right now most likely is going to continue the rise. We are actually familiar with this pattern when the gold actually creates here a channel, as we can see, and then make here a bullish breakout from that channel. This last candle right here has actually confirmed the bullish breakout from the current channel that we have right here. So again, all in all, we actually can assume that the gold will continue the rise for the next 2 days at least to reach the highest level of the resistance at 2,941, which is really historical area. Now, after failing to break out from this level of a previous resistance and create here a new support, it actually tells us that the bullish momentum is gonna remain going on. And of course, if we just check the supported trend line right now, we can notice that the gold is indeed bouncing right on this level of a supported trend line. So meaning again, the gold with all these signs is going to continue the rise. Remarkably, the gold actually has made us a big drop, actually the biggest drop since I think since December. The gold has dropped for over 1,380 pips, but since then the gold just kept rising. Recently only, this was the biggest drop ever that the gold has been able to make over the last 3 months. So again, the gold has dropped for around 800 pips, but now the last 2 candles are wiping out all this hard work the birds have made in the market, and now the gold rose again for around 400 and 300 pips. So meaning all the hard work the birds have made here to push the gold to go down is wiped, and it's just gone, no more. So all in all, again, my friends, the gold is gonna continue the rise. So let's now go to the 1-hour time frame. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, we are really familiarized with this pattern, and the gold most likely is going to continue the rise after this strong bullish movement. Now, remember, the market usually, guys, when we have, of course, a channel like this, and it has been broken out from, the market usually attempts to reach the highest level of a key resistance at this area, and afterward will fall back to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, and then flies back after retesting the level to create a supported trend line. That's exactly what we are looking to happen here. So right now, let me just draw it for you. Here we can see clearly that we had, of course, a channel, as you can see, like this, just like that. And here is the bullish breakout from that channel. Now the gold actually has a chance to retest the resistance right here exactly at 2,910. Now the gold actually has a chance to make another pullback, and afterward it's gonna continue the rise. So we will just wait for the gold to fall back, and then we can buy it at a certain point right here. The question is where. Let me just now take you to the 30-minute time frame, and here we can see it in more details. Now, as we can see right now, we have here, we can draw now, of course, the Fibonacci retracement. And check this out, this is really nice. Now we can see that the gold actually has made just now a bullish breakout from 38.2 retracement, right here exactly. And it actually complies with our strategy. How? Because here we have, of course, a resistance trend line that indeed has been broken out from. Great. So a resistance trend line has been broken out from, and now a bullish breakout candle. So the gold most likely right now is gonna make a bearish reversal right at 61.8. Afterward, will continue the fall to reach again 38.2 at 2893, and respecting hopefully the same level of the support right here. And after that, will continue the rise bounce. They will continue the rise again till 294. Do I talk too much? Yeah, that's really a lot of talking, and I'm sure a lot of you skipping this part. Anyway, I would like to highlight that we can buy the gold right here exactly at 2893. Safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a real key support at 2879, targeting 2940. Let me just make it here, 2940 exactly. Therefore, we will actually aim around 470 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the support right here for around 160 pips. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the gold, and I really hope this one is gonna work well, and hopefully it will be a profitable one. So again, my friends, please be careful. Remember, the last signal has failed, but the previous 4 before that has actually have been actually winning signals. So again, here we are of course doing the best we can to provide you with the best forex signals possible, especially on gold. And don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. For example, here, this is really important. The last signal here which has failed, I actually have noticed the bearish movement, and I sent here an update on my Telegram suggesting my followers to close it right now in 36 pips of loss and accept it. So I really hope they have listened and avoided the big loss and just close it in just a small 36 pips of loss only. And I hope they did that. And that's the reason, guys, I'm telling you, you have got to join our free channel of Telegram. Here is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So again, my friends, I hope I will see you all there. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.